Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 18 of Treasure Trovember, our 6th annual Mixed Media Collage Challenge. If you have just found us today, go ahead and watch the welcome video. I will link down below. It's a really easy challenge to catch up on. If you're watching, go ahead and subscribe because there's lots of fun stuff coming even after Trovember. So subscribe to the channel. So it is day 18 of the challenge. Today the prompt is to add ASEMIC writing. If you don't know what ASEMIC writing is, I'm going to link to a video that's going to show you all about ASEMIC writing. So add some ASEMIC writing to your collage today, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 19.